means it is a water plant that has no root, stems and leaves. Its size range from 1.0 micron to several meter of length. These are the future of algae. Now see the advantage of algae. It releases a large amount of oxygen into the atmosphere. These are food for aquatic animals. Some algae are used in manufacture of chemical acid and some are used as human food. Microbes fifth type is virus. Have say about it. Virus has two characteristics because it is considered as living organs and non-living things. According to two characteristics of virus made it as living organism and non-living things, and its size range from 0.015 to 0.2 microns. It is possible to see only through an electronic microscope. It is covered by protein cells, it containing nucleic acid. These are the feature of virus. Now see the disadvantage of virus. Virus causes to many kind of disease, dangerous diseases. AIDS diseases from HIV virus, polio diseases from polio virus, mumps diseases from mumps virus, chickenpox diseases from chickenpox virus. Shrija, these are all information about microbes. Now whole world people are living with fear from COVID-19 disease, and this disease came from coronavirus. And previously what you told about coronavirus, it is like a tennis ball, but it is not a tennis ball. It is one kind of virus and it is not visible in naked eyes.
But Appaji, how can it possible that all the posters have pictures of coronavirus like tennis ball?
Shrija, coronavirus image placed everywhere. They are visualized or viewed by electronic microscope.
Appaji, what is COVID-19 or coronavirus? And if it comes, how will we know?
Coronavirus also contains of genetic materials. It covered with protein envelope and protein spikes as virus. Its size between 400 to 500 microns, so it does not stay long time in the air and it is immediately affected by gravity, and it lands or occupies the space of nearby object or organisms. The virus lives in the atmosphere for few hours. It also depends on another organism to live like a virus. The coronavirus usually enters the lungs of man and begins its activities in the cells of lungs, and it produces more and more virus, inactivate all the cells in the lungs and stop the human respiratory system. And see the symptoms of COVID-19 disease or coronavirus infected persons facing symptoms are common cold, fever, throat pain, headache, dehydrated, and in crucial stage of it caused severe lungs problems such as pneumonia, disabling kidney, and then finally it caused to death. And diagnosis of COVID-19 disease by testing blood in PCR. PCR means polymerase chain reaction test. In this test, we can detect coronavirus infected person. And treatment to COVID-19 disease. There is no vaccination has been found for COVID-19 disease, but our scientists are in constant effort. See how COVID-19 disease spread or coronavirus spread. Coronavirus infected person when coughing and sneezing by air. It spread close contact persons. Close personal contact with diseased persons such as touching or shaking hands, and diseased person touched surface and object without any precautionary touching them, virus will be transferred to close contact persons. After a diseased person contact, when we touching nose, mouth, eyes by hand or things, then virus will be enter in our body. In some case, the contamination of vessels can also be transmitted. Shrija, watch this video. In this video clip, there is complete information about how coronavirus spread and how it affects to our body. Let's see. Coronavirus infected person coughing or sneezing, the virus enter directly by the air to another close contact persons. Or after coughing and sneezing, the virus lands on hand, object and surface. Then any person shaking and touching objects and surface, the virus shifted to that person's. When that person touch his nose, mouth and eyes, it will be shifted his body. First stage that virus goes to his throat. After it goes to the lungs. When it enter to the lungs, it starts works with lungs billion of cells. In the cells, the coronavirus protein spikes inject its genetic materials. Then it starts destroy the system of cells and produce lot of virus and spread to another cells and destroy the whole cells of lungs. And see the picture or table. This information as on 11th February 2020, it helped to us to compare the COVID-19 disease to another dangerous world diseases like SARS, MERS and Ebola disease, and also give information about how many people were infected and how many infected person diseased or killed by those disease. Now see the death rate of disease. From Ebola 39.51%, from MERS 34%, from SARS 9.6%, and from COVID-19 only 2.4 were death. Average death rate of Ebola, MERS and SARS are 41.55%, but COVID-19 death rate is only 2.4%. Now see spreading rate of diseases. SARS diseases infect 8,098 people from 2002 to 11th February 2020. MERS diseases infected 2,494 people from 2012 to 11th February 2020. Ebola diseases infected 28,639 people from 2014 to 11th February 2020, and COVID-19 diseases infected 43,103 people from December 19 to 11th February 2020. Spreading rate average around in 15 years duration. Ebola, MERS, SARS diseases are infected totally 39,231, but in between 2 months COVID-19 diseases infect 43,103 people. According this death and spreading rate of diseases, it shows Ebola, SARS and MERS diseases very dangerous in death rate, but COVID-19 diseases very dangerous in spreading rate because it spread by chain system, and in between 2 months it spread very highly. If we can't avoid COVID-19 spreading, it will completely destroy the human being. So it very essential avoid the spreading COVID-19 disease.
Appaji, how can we avoid spreading of COVID-19 disease?
Shrija, government and UNICEF have given many suggestions and instructions to prevent the spread of COVID-19 disease. Everyone strictly follow it. We can prevent or stop the spreading of this corona disease. Those prevention measures are: first one, wearing the mask; second one, washing hands frequently; third one, gargle throat with salted hot water; fourth one, stop eating or drinking refrigerator or colded food or drinks; fifth one, maintaining social distance; sixth one, drinking hot water and expose body to sunshine or light; seventh one, throat should not be left dry.
Appaji, must not let the throat dry, which means we have to hold water everywhere and every time. So if we eating chewing gum always, our throat will never dry.
Shrija, wait a minute. Only one more point left to tell me, then you will continue. Last 8 point is: do not touch the nose, mouth and eyes with our hands.
Appaji, last point what you told, that is very difficult to follow because we have sense of coronavirus. We can't touch, but when we are working or playing, our completely sense our concentration all in our work and play. Then we touch our nose, mouth and eyes lot of time from our hands. It is humans' senseless hobby. So it is very difficult to avoid such humans' senseless hobby. Appaji, yesterday in our school, our teacher told that tomorrow all of you should wear mask and bring sanitizer. So I told to Ma when I come from school to home. Then Ma went to medical shops to purchase mask and sanitizer, but there was no stock of it. Appaji, now what can we do in this situation for mask and sanitizer?
Yes, you said that 100% true. As an adult, when we lose our sense, we are touching our eyes, nose, mouth countless times from our hand, and we can't control this activity. Then how can possible to control these activities from children like you?
So I think it is not